How to add location on TikTok video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this For You page. Now what you want to do is tap on this plus icon at the bottom. From here, you can record the video or upload it from your gallery. If you want to upload it from your gallery, then tap on upload and it will open up your gallery. From your gallery, select any of the video that you want to upload and then tap on next at the bottom. It will land you on this page. So before you upload the video, tons of different options will be visible to you. Likewise, you should also see the option where it says location. If you have that option on your device, then what you want to do is click on it and then search for the specific location that you want to add. Once you have selected the location, tap on save, and when you upload the video, the location will be shared. But if you don't have the location option, then what you want to do is you have to make sure that your application is up to date. Head over to App Store and check it out if you're using the latest version of your app or not. If updating the application doesn't fix it, then what you want to do is you can simply report the problem. State the problem that you have been facing to TikTok support, and within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add location on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.